Today I'm going to be making my carnivore mayonnaise. Hi, I'm Tom and this is my carnivore life. So this is a very simple recipe. It only takes a couple minutes to make. All you're going to need is 4 ounces of cream cheese, half a cup of sour cream, a tablespoon of either lemon juice or vinegar. I prefer lemon juice. I like the tang of the lemon juice over the vinegar. And about 1/4 to 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, depending on how salty you like things. All right, so let's get this mixed. All right, so you want to let your cream cheese come up to room temperature. It makes it much easier to blend it in. So we're going to add in our sour cream. And we want to take our blender on low and blend the sour cream and the cream cheese. You make sure you have a deep enough bowl or it's going to go everywhere. You just want to make sure it's nice and smooth. Now we're going to add in our lemon juice and our salt. And we're going to blend that in there. And that's pretty much it. So you're going to want to take your mixture once you've got everything blended and put it in the refrigerator, and you want to leave it in there for about 30 minutes to let the flavor mature. And after 30 minutes, you're going to find that it's got a nice robust flavor. It tastes just like mayonnaise, and it works great for anything you would normally put mayonnaise on. Hope you liked this video. Let me know if you tried this down in the comments. Give me a like. Subscribe if you want to see more of this. I hope you have a great day.